Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2024 Kawasaki KRX 4-seater. We just installed the RYCO Street Legal / turn signal kit on it. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about the kit. This is the Fang Kit, as we refer to it as. It's going to actually replace the entire stock Kawasaki grill, as you see there. Got great looks on the grill. There's the Fang lights installed. Let's see what the functionality looks like. So just like in your car, down will be left. We do have the indicator lights up on the dash, letting you know those turn signals are on. What does it look like on the inside? Awesome. What does it look like on the outside? Even better. Huge field of view on the front and the back as well, because it ties into all the tail lights in the rear of the KRX. Very nice. And while I'm back here, the KRX kit from RYCO is going to include a custom license plate mount that's designed specifically for the KRX. You see it there. Also, a light is included to illuminate your plate at night. The RYCO Street Legal kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All 4 corners are going to illuminate. Very nice, very nice. And around the back side. To release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button integrated inside the lever itself. For those of you in Utah, the RYCO Street Legal kit is going to come with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors. Here in Utah, you need 1 on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with the left view, as you see here, a right view, or a left view and a center view. Again, just needing 1 on each side of the driver. This customer is selected to do all 3. This is the UTV Tech, and this is from Kawasaki. It's got that built-in lighted dome light that's detachable. Great option. We got a smoke and dill going on those as well. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web. We'll be sure and post up in the description below where you can go on and place your order for these products today. Have a great day, everybody.